Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Lancelot Auto Maintenance M1630 Pro DTF bundle. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with performance. One of the biggest highlights of the M1630 Pro is its doubled print speed over the L1800 and L805, which means you can fulfill orders faster, boost production efficiency, and handle larger batches with ease. Whether you're running a home-based shop or scaling your online brand, this boost in output translates directly to time and profit saved. The M1630 Pro comes with a roll feeder, enabling continuous film feeding, perfect for bulk production and unattended operation. This is ideal for users who want to print multiple designs or long runs without manual film handling. It saves time and ensures smooth, error-free feeding every time. Built-in white ink circulation and auto maintenance features make this printer extremely user-friendly and low maintenance. White ink is essential in DTF for printing on dark fabrics, but it tends to settle or clog if left still, so the M1630 Pro automatically keeps the ink agitated and flowing, preventing clogs and protecting the print head from wear. With its advanced RIP software pre-installed on the included laptop, you get precise control over color layers, white underbase settings, resolution, and layout. Whether you're printing complex gradients, high-detail logos, or full-color art, the system handles it with accuracy and sharpness. As for print quality, the CMYK Plus white ink system produces vibrant, opaque designs that adhere well to cotton, polyester, blends, and more. It's fully compatible with dark and light fabrics, and your prints will be stretch-resistant, washable, and long-lasting. There's no need for weeding or pretreatment, just print, cure, and press. Speaking of curing, the included oven handles the adhesive powder bonding process with consistent temperature and timing. It's compact yet efficient, and it ensures your transfer film is ready for pressing without under or over curing. The adjustable pressure and heating of the oven system help improve durability and color vibrancy, and because it's part of a bundled solution, everything is calibrated to work seamlessly together. From print to press, the entire workflow is designed for maximum reliability and quality. The printer itself features a touch interface for easy operation, along with clear ink level indicators and robust build quality. It's compact enough to fit in small studio setups, but powerful enough for full-time production work. For those just getting started, the included starter consumables, like DTF ink, adhesive powder, and PET film, allow you to hit the ground running. No guesswork. No waiting. You can be printing within hours of setup. To summarize, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF bundle offers a faster, smarter, and more production-ready solution than earlier models. With double the speed, automated white ink circulation, a roll feeder for continuous printing, curing oven, pre-configured laptop, and complete consumables, it's a complete ecosystem for launching or scaling a successful custom apparel business. Click the link below for the best price on the Lancelot Auto Maintenance M1630 Pro DTF bundle. Whether you're creating for customers or building your own brand, this bundle gives you the speed, quality, and confidence to print like a pro.